Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted call history. Now, if you went in here and you accidentally swiped left and hit delete, and you deleted a conversation or a call history, there are two different ways to be able to get it back. Let's first just head into the settings. One option is to check at the very top your name and in iCloud. So tap on your name and then tap on iCloud. Now, you always have the ability to just restore to a backup that included that phone call history. So let's tap on iCloud backup here. And now you can see at the very bottom, it says all device backups. Let's tap on this iPhone. It'll show you when it was last backed up. If this was backed up after you made or received that call, but before you deleted it, essentially you can just restore to this backup and get that entire call history recovered. To be able to do that, all we need to do is go back out of here to the very beginning of your settings. And then from here at the bottom, let's tap on General. And then we'll scroll down. And then we'll tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. And from here, all we can do is tap on Erase All Content and Settings. And then let's hit Continue. In most cases, if you're just doing this process to restore from that backup, we'll choose Keep eSIM and Erase Data. And then you're just going to enter in the passcode for your iPhone, delete everything, and then restore it back to the iCloud backup that you had on your iPhone. That's the first option, but the second option works as well. Let's head into a web browser. And in a web browser, I'm going to type in AT&T call logs. I have AT&T, so just type in whatever web browser or whatever browser cell phone company you have. And we can tap on check AT&T wireless usage, and you'll be able to see it says talk, usage details, all outgoing and incoming phone calls, call time, call length, etc. You'll be able to basically download your entire call history and recover it through your carrier itself if it is not saved directly on your iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.